Well, maybe a few were. Okay, all of them. All of the cupcakes were harmed. Hey, why should red velvet get to have all the fun? Keep watching to see how to make classic blue cupcakes inspired by the Pantone color of the year. And in case you're wondering, yes, these turned my tongue blue. I've never used this classic blue color for baking until now, but with my obsession over the Pantone color of the year, and there's going to be more videos to come on that, I wanted to share this royal blue cupcake recipe with you so we can all be on trend this year, even with our cupcakes. So let's get right into this. Here are a few things I picked up for these blue velvet cupcakes. Wilton had these blue sprinkles that I thought would be the perfect topping. We need a little unsweetened cocoa to dress up that cake mix. And then I got these Wilton gel food colors. I've never used these gel food colors before, so we'll see how that goes. And then since those sprinkles had silver and gold, I thought that these little silver cupcake liners would be perfect. I'll put this recipe on my blog, artsycupcake.com, in case you want to reference this later. So here I have dumped that white cake mix into a large mixing bowl. We are going to ignore those directions on the back of the cake mix. I have 1 1/2 cups milk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Then all you have to do is combine all these ingredients in the big bowl. I'm going low tech here by using a fork today, so if you don't have a fancy mixer, no worries, a fork will work just fine. If you're new here, I'm Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, hence my obsession with Pantone colors. But you don't have to be a designer to make your life as creative as it can be. I share easy and fun home DIYs, fashion, and cupcakes. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the creative inspiration I have coming your way. Okay, now we have our base for these blue velvet cupcakes, but they aren't looking very blue, so let's do something about that. And this is the fun part. I started with about 1/2 teaspoon of the blue food coloring. It seemed to be more liquidy than gel, but it was very potent. Just using the blue gave this more of a teal look, so I kept adding violet until I got the shade closer to Pantone Classic Blue. It took around 15 to 20 drops of the violet, and it was almost there, but I ended up using about 10 drops of pink to get it a little bit more vibrant. And then there you go! It looks pretty close to Pantone 194052 Classic Blue. This was the first time using these Wilton colors, and I thought the color may change a little bit after baking, but they came out surprisingly close to the shade that I had when it was in the mixing bowl. You'll want to bake these 12 cupcakes at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. So the good thing is you don't have to worry about getting that frosting just right because of the technique that we're going to use. First, I put a little bit of cream cheese frosting on top. Just kind of put it on there, nothing special. Next, I placed the sprinkles on a plate and I arranged them so that those really large spheres were evenly distributed. Here is why that frosting doesn't have to be perfect. We just flip that cupcake upside down and press it into those sprinkles. It kind of flattens out the top of the icing, so that covers up any mistakes that you may have made when you were frosting the cupcakes, and it ensures that those gorgeous sprinkles stay right in place. Okay, do you want to see how the inside of those cupcakes look? Classic Blue never looked so good. If you liked this Classic Blue inspired video, then you will love my playlist on all things Classic Blue. Click right here to check out how to style this gorgeous color and decorate your home with it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.